Yeah, so what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negusimara, and we got the one and only Gyalis in Paris in the building.
Yo, Mark.
Yo! So yeah, man, so right now, Gyalis in Paris is blessing me with his time and energy right now for the first episode of this brand new segment that I have called Boys Talk. You understand? This is where men are men and we talk like men. You understand what I say? And for this episode, we have, what we're going to do? We're going to do smash or pass. You understand? We're going to find some of the baddest Instagram baddies. You understand? All of the bad girl, we're going to say, yo, if we would kill or nil. You understand what I say? And the killer right top boy is not in the ground you're going. You understand what I say? Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to go straight into it.
Yeah.
This episode is brought to you by ParisScents.com. Make sure to visit the website to get your unique fragrance. And also, you can follow us on Instagram.
All right, so I'm going to ask you first, brother.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. All right, so the first person off on my list now is Sarah Bendii. When I bad dance to them on Instagram.
Damn.
Sarah Bendii.
Sarah Bendii.
Yeah.
Bro, that's a given, dog.
That's a given?
Boom, boom. Hey, what time? Hey, loan, no pull out. Loan juice.
Yeah?
Loan juice. Put me on child support. I don't care.
Yeah, man. I see him, so.
What about you?
Of course.
Would you spend?
Yeah. You want to see the dance video them, brother?
Oh, so the dance video is what
the dance video that, no, she's sexy, but like the dance video when she had take her leg and I put it on somebody else's neck over there, so.
Yeah.
And she's flexible bad.
Okay.
Yeah, man, that was very exciting and festive.
The dance sketch your mama. The dance sketch me. Understand? The dog love the dancing. So, Sarah Bendii, you will get it, mama. You understand what I say? My time now. My first is going to be none other than Mama Spice.
Spice? Yeah, man. Spice can't get it.
Ooh! I was ready to go.
That's an automatic smash.
Automatic.
Brother,
Skin out her boom boom.
Yeah. But I'm nervous at first, but.
Yeah. Spice pre like a fuck veteran to me.
What?
You see me?
What?
Like Spice should have been with the person right yo. Can you imagine Spice the type of girl that body up and see you? Take off your brief.
hey, I think I joke. Hey, after you done fuck Spice, you have to go for your boxers, ball up in a can over there. Yeah. And she would have shape it off for you, my youth.
When Spice drop that blood clot bump on the fire, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, man.
And the thing about it, she's sexy and she can dance, she's flexible. You see me? You feel like a whole heap of man overlook Spice because her skin tone, or you don't think men care about that? I don't think men care about that.
I don't feel so,
Yeah, I don't think so either.
I don't think so at all.
Because we come from Jamaica, brother. We learn to appreciate all kind of women from all walks of life. So you could have black and bun up. Mama friend, you look good. You understand what I say?
Yeah. All different types. And I see some man with some girl where you see them until then open their dark, You understand? So we not discriminate, man. I tell you.
Straight up.
All right, so the next one now.
Yeah.
I don't say you have to say that one Jessie Wang.
Oh gosh. Instantly. You don't even have to ask. If you show me a choosing signal, I will make the first move. Just do your ears for one time for me. Look for me for more than 3 seconds. I'm walking over to you. Jessie Wang bad, bro. That girl has some nice teeth. Jessie Wang, I like your teeth. You have a nice smile. You understand? I know see your mouth smell nice. From me see that mouth there, I know see that mouth that smell like. You ever see some girl that you see other girl that look like a think? Not Jessie. I'll smash.
Yeah. That's smash. That's an automatic. Yeah.
Given. Bro, she's beautiful. No. And what I like about her, she don't exalt herself with the cuteness. You know, you have some girl that cute and them just cocky with it. Jessie Wang is even more cuter to me because she humble with it.
Yeah, man, she's very humble.
Yeah.
Very humble.
Very humble. Big up herself, mom. I like him out. My time now. My time now. Let's see what I'm going to now. All right. Oh, gosh. Jada Kingdom.
Come on now.
Easy.
That's another easy one, bro. Like, that one there, Jada Kingdom.
Yeah.
Brother. No, man. I'm like the punk style where she have. Like, when she wear them big boots.
Yes.
And you see me? I said the type of tattoo she have and the little. You see me? Like, she do rock.
She different. Bro. Personality different.
No, man.
I like her singing voice too. Like, I hope I'm not the only one who do this, but like, if I don't know a girl, if I don't know how she sound, I'm curious to hear her voice. Like, I want to know, like, like if she have a good moan. Like Jada Kingdom sound like she would have a nice, sexy moan. You ever hear Jada Kingdom sing it? If it like that. Can you imagine Jada ball for your hooded brother? Yeah. Jada Kingdom can get it. And I told him, I say, ooh. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I second that.
Who next? Who next? Chop it.
Who next? No, all right.
Yeah.
So, next for my list, no. Our next dancer, dancing rebel.
Him love dancer, so I can't dance, you know.
Yeah.
Dog love dance, you know.
Yeah.
Dancing rebel. That dark skin booby used to dance with Spice.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Rebel can get it, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you, why Rebel can get it. Rebel round like an English pound. Rebel, your body up. Kids for you, kids, lone kids.
Yeah, I like Rebel too. And you know, because I like my girl them slim.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Like slim in that. So
Yeah.
I like what she did Maga and them thing. You see me I say? Now she put on weight, it's like, it's okay.
Yeah.
But before, Maga, like when they fold their arm and they
Oh.
look like hanger.
So let me
see me
ask
I
you this.
say, I can't just see them heart beating at their neck. I stomach like girl, you know. You understand? I stomach like girl Maga, you know. So dancing Rebel sexy to me, you know.
Facts.
Yeah,
I
man.
agree.
Yeah, I love them, man.
All right. So you say you like the girl, and when the girl them petty, is it a specific reason? Do you like to pick girls up?
Yeah.
Yes, my
Fling them up
boy.
on them thing,
Yes.
But Rebel looks strong too, you know. She look like she would have dropped me on my top too.
Blood clot.
Yeah, nah, like,
For real.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man,
man, Rebel.
them little muscle wind there and them thing. Yeah,
Yes.
man, you see the vein them and pop out.
Rebel
Yeah, man.
up, man. Rebel up. All right. So it's at my time now. Gyalis in Paris.
Like them?
Would you smash Candy Wow?
No.
The dog said no.
But
I don't-
you know,
Yeah.
she maga, you know, but she very tall, you know. You see me I say, and
Yeah.
that would have made me nervous. You see it? So that's why I'm saying no.
That's
And
the reason why I said no.
No, but that's why I'm going to say that. That is why I'm
Ask
saying
me if you would have fucked Candy Wow.
no, you would have do it. Alright, answer now.
Yo, like you tell, come back up with blood.
Go on now. Hold on now.
No, I'm not fuck
See
Candy
your prayer
Wow.
for morning and that.
Candy Wow, she have a night. I'm watching. You know what crazy? You know what crazy? Let's be real.
go there
I saw I saw a video with Candy Wow, skin out, broad daylight in a bed, like them a shoot a blues and it leak out or something. And her pussy pretty. Candy Wow, your pum pum pretty, but you see the mouthpiece there now? No. Candy Wow, dentures, teeth.
But you should have dentures now.
If she have denture and clean up, the biggest negative of Candy Wow is her mouth. Candy Wow not ugly, but knowing who Candy Wow is, I wouldn't smash Candy Wow. No disrespect.
I'm not convinced, you know. I don't know why.
Bro, you think I would smash Candy Wow for real?
I don't know any of that, but I just as me say. You say if our mouth they clean.
How many of us have them? Friends.
Alright now.
The ones you can depend on. Friends.
Alright, so my next one now, you know.
Let's go.
My turn, no?
Yeah.
Our next dancer. Yeah.
This dude love dancers.
Every day I dance in the world, man.
Yeah.
Missy, that's that dancer. That's our next Spice dancer.
Missing. Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
One of climb.
Yeah.
And
she shot.
Yeah.
I like them go like and chew up. You understand? Yeah, man, them go like and chew up. You see me? Yeah, man, I like him. What I breed her? All of them girls except Candy Wow would I breed.
Yeah? All
Yeah.
of them.
The dancer them you call, and especially Jessie Lee Wang.
Okay. Alright.
Jessie Lee Wang, put me on child support. I don't care. I will welcome that misery in my life.
One full of money.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, Missy, mother. You know.
What you like about her? That she can dance, huh?
Yeah. Ish. She can dance body now. She dance
Yeah.
body now, but our body firm and
Yeah.
you see me? Yeah. she
And
have
the girl them
she
who
shape
dance,
good.
and some of the girl them who really dance. When I thought the girl them just go in and dance just for the spotlight and bend down and twerk. I thought about the girl them can actually dance. Them girl that fucking is a different type of fucking. Them girl that different
But
with the sex.
Yeah, exactly. Them look like you have some girl with dance and them you see me, you know,
Yeah.
so they can dance,
Yeah.
but look like probably them stiff in a bed and everything. You see,
Yeah.
but them girl with me call no, them look like them very talented in the two section. You see me I say?
I agree.
So yeah.
I agree.
See me?
So,
but Missy just loves soup too much. That's why.
you
You know what I say?
Hey, as long as dumpling and them something in them, are good. You understand?
Yeah, I'm out the fridge after you done.
But anyways, we are almost at an end, but I have two more. Gyalis in Paris. To us, would you smash Koffee?
No.
Why?
Because yo Mark, no, cause you see, the thing is, you know,
Yeah.
she too
Masculine.
like we. You
Yeah.
understand? So
Show that dog them.
yeah, cause remember say like if you call her if you're a sneaky link and she forward in your house and I pull over and pants and all them things, that turn off, right?
Yeah, I feel like I'm a dog.
Yeah, you got that point, yo,
real.
brother. What want me G?
But I'm not lie still.
Bro, God.
You see, when I see Koffee in a
My
Calvin
lord.
Klein shoot, you see Koffee in a Calvin Klein shoot and she have on the brassiere and I don't know if it's a brief or a panty that. I'm like, why this look like a brief in our first place? It look like a brief.
Yeah.
But I give Koffee a one chop. Koffee, link me. Deal with Koffee real quick and turn your back. You see me?
Fish fry.
Oh my God. Koffee, big up yourself. Toast.
Yeah.
Make a give it and make your boss. Put in your mouth and make your horse. Toast.
All right, Snapper. You have one next one to do?
Are you your time now?
I might.
Yeah.
I'm name, you know, man.
Yeah.
5 names you have, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you say you have one next one, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm around the name now.
That ain't 5, bro. That's 4.
A 5. Sarah Bendii, just Lee Wang, Shenseea. Man, I almost skip Shenseea.
Oh my God.
Shenseea. There.
Given.
Yeah.
Yard man eat and behave yourself, you know. Shenseea and my booby, you understand what I say?
No, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
Shenseea, I think they can't handle Shenseea, man. You see him, when you interview Shen, you freeze up, brother.
Freeze up.
Freeze up.
Dog, Freddy.
Yeah.
When you have Shenseea around every day, dominate our space, bad bro. Make sure say, oh, that you that's so regular, him just have me away.
Yeah.
Shenseea a superstar, but if you go to boom and move like a superstar, no, should I have no choice. If you say, yo, that you the energy just different. But yard man, they are play like a building block, so you go fix up or something. No, brother. Put your hand around her one time, brother. Bounce pan her body and say sorry like an accident. You know, them little tricks the bad, bro.
understand?
Don't do
You
that. We got jail. Don't do that. I joke, man. Don't do
you
it.
can't stutter on them thing.
No.
Big
Shenseea.
girl like Shenseea, you know,
And Shenseea mouth look clean too, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. Shenseea does. Okay. What I want to say regarding Shenseea before I talk my one. Why is it that when a man look on a girl like Shenseea and see how Shenseea look good, people are bad out colorism, color out cash brown? You ever hear that?
God, I just saw them program. You understand? But I'm not sure shape. Brown.
She look good.
That's hot.
She hot.
Yeah, she got a dark skin, she got a hot. Same way. But she just not dark skin.
Anyway,
I just said that.
them
But people
people,
always want to find a problem with something.
everything them find problem with.
Same
Them
time,
find problem.
For seven, but you have a next one, no?
One more.
One more. All right, ready?
Gyalis in Paris. Would you smash
All right, go on.
Tahiri?
The next answer, though.
Yes.
Yeah. I would smash.
You know what? We shouldn't have put no dancer in the car. All of the
But
dancers
yeah, why
get the
not?
automatic yes.
But it's not because them can dance. Like, you see a girl who can pull off the short hair look?
Yeah. Ooh. Like Jada, bro.
Yes.
Girls, this is the thing about it. See the shortcut them. Wait, what do you mean? Like a mushroom top, like near long or like short, like
Short,
cut short. Like Jada,
Yeah.
that nice.
Yeah.
Like some of them women them sleep on short ear. When I buy these long, how much inches bundles or whatever. Mama, rock a short ear. Just trust me. If you rock a short ear, you get trust me. Niggas will like that
Yeah,
shit.
I love the natural look.
Yeah.
Natural, when them have the, yeah, brother, that, and then color it and them,
Yeah. I agree with you, bro. I agree with you.
man, that.
I agree with you.
But I hear it definitely can get it.
So, Gyalis in Paris, we both agreed on not smashing Candy Wow. He is convinced that I would smash Candy Wow, but I am honest to say I wouldn't, but I would smash Koffee. You understand? Yeah.
Yo, that does so
He disagree, but Koffee, me give you one chop Koffee and turn your back.
Hey.
Koffee, you gone over there, so Koffee, you have to come back. Come back to us, Koffee. I like you. Come back.
But she not
To
gonna
us. Yeah, you're not gonna like me.
Yeah, she
My
not
mother.
gonna like
It's
you.
alright. That's how you go. Well, you don't know, say one nation and I'm our nation. Ladies and gentle G's, if you enjoy this, I want to see more. Make sure someone like, comment, share, subscribe. And go on pariscent.com to make sure you get a wide variety of body oils that last.
Yeah, I
A
don't know about
long
the white
time.
still, but
You understand? Why you do that?
why you do that, brother?
Why?
Why all of the word them you can say, man? An abundant amount of varieties.
So why when I say why, the first thing come in your mind?
Why it just sound shaky, no? Remember, I made the ambassador for that, so I have to make sure that them sitting there when I'm involved in a can too shaky, that sound too close.
Yo, you know what? I come get my blood clot, yeah. The
Understand.
other time I say, yo, you don't know. Big up Gyalis.
I have to protect my brand.
Yo, as me say, make sure someone go up on Pariscents, get to know oils. You ship all over, right?
Yeah, I don't know about the go pan, but go to the site, You understand? I drop my memory. Come on.
I'm defeated. I'm done. That's all
I
right.
drop my memory. Yo,
That's it for yourself. I don't know. Up move.
Yeah.
This episode was brought to you by ParisSense.com. Make sure to visit the website to get your unique fragrance. And also, you can follow us on Instagram.